Here are 3 common questions answered for this Techni Mobili laptop cart, and it's mobile as well. So the first question is there storage on this laptop cart? And yes, there absolutely is. There's all this storage technically on top of the cart, and you can see this is a laptop, but we have so much other room for drinks or for, writing something as well. But also we have storage within this drawer here, and then a shelf on the middle part, and then there's also a shelf on the bottom part. And I don't know if you can see it on this camera, but that is also there. The second question is this mobile? And yes, it absolutely is. As you can see, we can turn this around. There are wheels on it as well. And it just really helps out that this is a mobile cart. We use it all the time for our live streams, and we just bring it in and do the live stream and then take it out and put it away. So this is perfect for that. Lastly, how easy is this to put together? And I would say it's very easy. It doesn't take much to put together yourself. And it's also very sturdy as well. I mean, if you knock on any of the parts of this, it's gonna feel like a cart that is not gonna fall apart if you think about it. So thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you next time.